Good morning to everybody. Welcome to the today class. And today that I am going to do the insurance law. That is the fifth semester course of the third year LLB. And I could see that people are present. I could see the ceiling fan of the Shesha Garu also present over here. Yes, you are welcome, sir. That I am sure that you are hearing me. If the answer is yes, so that I could proceed, please let me know that what I posted on the screen. Anyone can unmute, then read it, please, so that I get the confirmation to me that you are with me. Yes.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
My
Proceed.
value of sports. Sports help to maintain a healthy mind in a healthy body. They provide rest and relaxation for the mind and help and build a healthy body.
Yes, build a healthy body. That means a, a sound mind is in a sound body, or a healthy mind is in a healthy body. That is the whole. Either you play the sports, or you made the jogging, you made the swimming, you may do whatever it may. Their physical exertion should be there, so the body will be torn up. That is the must. So that it is the body which makes the mind sound. Even the sound mind also make the sound body. That is the both reciprocal nature to are the both side of the coin. Now I would like to deal the what is the yesterday that we are discussing about this thing. Sir, what is the assurance and what is the insurance? I told you yesterday was the first day. Hence, as the days goes on, that we will say that what do you say the assurance and what do you say the insurance. Let us see the insurance versus assurance. Yes. Shall I continue? Any doubt? Say yes or say proceed.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so many sounds, so I can mute it. Yes, I will proceeding. Yeah. Yes, I'm proceeding it. Yes, the insurance and assurance both are the two closely associated words that are often used in the insurance and finance domain as a synonym and vice versa also. Both these terms are used in the terms of financial coverage in the event of the unforeseen circumstances, which is an unanticipated, unprecedented, unexpected things going to happen at that instance. These assurance and insurance will be come across there. Yes, even though the both these words are mutually used to indicate the financial coverage, but the meaning and the scope of both insurance and assurance are used in different contexts. This article will help you, or this thing will help you to understand the key difference between the both these terminologies, that is insurance and assurance. Let us see the comparison chart. The following table which is nothing but a ready reckoner that showcases the key differences between the insurance and assurance. Yes, now we'll see the purpose, the point of distinction, and the insurance the first column, and the assurance is the second column of the table. But if you specifically say the insurance is the second column and insurance is the third column, because the first column is the point of distinction. Yes, number one, the point of distinction meaning. Let me say that the meaning in the insurance. Insurance guarantees financial coverage against the loss or damage caused due to an uncertain event, within parentheses an event which might not necessarily happen. Example: fire, theft, earthquake, etc. So it is an uncertain event, may happen or may not happen. Are you following me? So that is in the insurance is concerned. The meaning of the assurance is it is assurance guarantees financial coverage, again the same financial coverage against the loss or damage, same like insurance, and caused due to an event that is sure to happen. Here, the only the assurance is definitely that the death is imminent. Death is one day or other day. The death will come. Every living organism has to taste the death. Yes. Any comment? Any comment on this? Shall I proceed? Say yes. Proceed. Okay, presumption is proceed. So I will go to the next point of distinction, that is the basis. On what basis the insurance is there? The insurance is based upon the principle of indemnity. So if the principle of indemnity is there, that means if a person has left anything in you with you, for the umbrella or any other thing is concerned, then again the person comes back, he has to take the umbrella. You have to return him in the same position without damaging it. That is called indemnity. And when you come to the basis of the assurance is concerned, assurance is based upon the principle of certainty. So it's not indemnity, it's the principle of certainty. Means certainly that is going to happen, where we can say assurance. So certainly death is there, there is assurance. Of course, whether there is earthquake or not, it is not assurance. It is only the contingent, means uncertain event. That we have to say the basis in that regard. Yes, the third distinction of the basis, the third point of distinction is based on the protection offered. What is the protection offered in the insurance? So in the insurance, the protection offered is for an uncertain or unanticipated, uncertain or unanticipated event. So uncertain it will be there, or unanticipated event would be there, or either anticipated or unanticipated event would be there, or may happen or may not happen. Such a thing, the protection offered. But for a definite event in the assurance, where definitely it is going to happen, is an assurance. So the assurance is there. In 1 year, there would be some rains. Yes, definitely in 1 year there would be rains, because our is the country, tropical country. It is not a desert area where rain we cannot expect it. Even the desert area also rain sometimes we will expect. Yeah, but there will not be floods in the desert. Yes, why not there is a floods in the desert? Anyone? Yes, anyone can share it.
No rains and no rivers and no water facility.
Even though it rains, all the rain will be percolated
Sand
and
area.
go into the lower state.
Sand area. Sand area.
Sand area. So that is the way we cannot say the floods over there in the desert area. Regarding the protection is concerned. Come to the next point is claim payment. How is the claim payment would be there? When do you make the claim payment? The claim payment is made after the happening of the anticipated event. This now in the insurance it is clearly say, if in happening of an anticipated event, there the claim would be there. Means probability is there. Of course, not necessarily probability there. Maybe or may not be there. So claim payment is made after the happening of an anticipated event. Suppose if it is a rains, if it is a thunderstorm, if it is a earthquake, if it is a whirlwind, if it is a tempest, if it is a tsunami, if a such a, we cannot ascertain over there, but if a thing happened over there, definitely it will be there. Like the fire act, like the marine, like the accident. These are all the things which will uncertain, but not definitely happen. No, it may happen, uncertain. If it is happen event, then insurance company will come to the rescue. Regarding the assurance is concerned, claim payment is made either in the event of happening or at the time of maturity. But here one distinction we can find it. Suppose the death is not there, but maturity is there. Suppose 30 years they kept the insurance, and the insurance after that it is matured over there, and you will get the interest plus the total amount, something that you will get more than that what you have deposited over there. But in case of the death, yes, definitely you will get even the death is happen next day to the insurance is made. Of course, premium is paid or the document has come over there. So that will be there. Either it is the maturity or the happening of event would be there in the insurance. But in the claim payment in the insurance is that a anticipated or an event, uncertain event is going to happen. Either it is happening or the happening of that event only, the claim payment would be there in the insurance. Regarding the duration is concerned, in the insurance contract is for 1 year and is renewable every year. In the insurance contract, it is 1 year and is renewable for every year, but the duration of the assurance is long term. It is either for the death or maturity. or whichever is earlier. That the period they kept it depending upon the age when a person is insured. Then another point is type. Point of distinction regarding the type is concerned. In the insurance, general insurance promises insurance. So general insurance will come over there and the promises for the insurance, but then the assurance, life insurance promises assurance. So assurance is life insurance, that the assurance is there, but a person definitely going to die. Of course, some insurance policies are based upon the year. So when the year of maturity would be there, I'm sure that you will get the total amount with interest or some other payment also, not exactly the what you paid over there. When it comes to the point of the distinction, the purpose is concerned. What is the purpose of insurance? And then the insurance is the purpose of the policy is to prevent risk and offer financial coverage for the loss of an uncertain or anticipated event. Either uncertain or anticipated event would be there. So that loss would be covered over there, because if such insurance will not be there, then it is a very much headache, not headache, a death to a middle class people. For poor, anyway, that fellow could not afford to have a purchase a vehicle, and the middle class, if they purchase it, they can make it out. But death will comes over there if any person is got injured by such an accident. Hence, the burden goes to the insurance company, and where the burden is shifted to the insurance company will come forward, because every vehicle which will be on the road should be insured. That is the policy. So when you come to the assurance is concerned, the purpose of this policy is to prevent risk. Yes, it is obvious factor, and earn benefit and secure financial coverage for the losses of certain event. Suppose some benefit comes over there and based upon the thing happened or the maturity is reached over there. So that was the actually the differences that you will find in the insurance and assurance is concerned. Yes, any other person wants to share any other thing or ask any other thing? Please, you can ask now. Yes, unmute, then you can ask. సార్ ఇక ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అన్నా ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అన్నా ఒకటే కాదు సార్ అంటే ఎస్ జనరల్లీ వీల్ యూజ్ ఇట్ సినానిమ్స్, బట్ స్లైట్ డిఫరెన్స్ వుడ్ బి దేర్. ఇన్ అష్యూరెన్స్ డెఫినెట్లీ దట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు హ్యాపెన్, బట్ ఇన్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ మోటార్ వెహికల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఉన్నదని సార్ యాక్సిడెంట్ కావాలన్నా కొన్ని మొత్తం లైఫ్ స్పాన్ లో ఒక్క యాక్సిడెంట్ కూడా కాదు, అయినా మరి ఎందుకు కట్టాలా సార్? అయ్యా, అది అన్ఈవెంట్ అయినప్పుడు if it is going to happen over there, then the burden upon the insured. సార్ ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఇన్సూరారే ఎవరు ఇన్సూర్డ్ సార్ చెప్పండి, ఎవరన్నా చెప్పాలా?
Insured is a fellow who pays the premium.
Oh, very good. Policy holder.
Policy holder.
Yes. Next.
LIC is a institution of the insurance is the insurer.
Yes.
Who makes the insurance?
The institution, the organization, the body, the agency which can issue the bond of insurance is said to be the insurer. The person who takes and pays the premium is said to be the insured. Yeah, now you tell me, an expert who will make the payment of the premium in better manner is called, yes. If you don't know, you say pass on.
Sir, that means who pays the premium regularly?
Not. A person, suppose a scheme is there. For the scheme, what is the best premium one should have to pay is, an expert will decide it. Depending upon the age of the insured, depending upon the income of the insured, depending on the company, so the company will not go into losses.
But the premium for any policy is fixed now, sir. How it is based on the individual?
Yes, you are right. The good question that you asked over there. Because in all policies, see, in certain policies, like comprehensive insurance, why the premium is high in comprehensive insurance?
It covers many things.
What things?
out of burglary, fire, inundation, etc. Any
Not only to the third person, to the person who is there on the vehicle, including the vehicle.
to the vehicle also.
Who is the expert who will fix it? See, this must be the premium should be there for this comprehensive, and this is must should be there for the third person insurance, or this is for the fire insurance. This is must for the marine insurance. Who is an expert who will fix this and who will make it? This is good. This is bad to run the company.
The insurance company, financial experts.
No, there are expert. ఇప్పుడు హార్ట్ స్పెషలిస్ట్ ని ఏమంటారండి?
Cardiologist,
ఐ స్పెషలిస్ట్ ని ఏమంటారండి?
ophthalmologist,
బోన్ స్పెషలిస్ట్ ని ఏమంటారండి?
ortho.
అట్లనే ఈ ప్రీమియం ఫిక్స్ ఈ ఫిక్సేషన్ ఒక పేరున్నది, ఒక స్పెషలిస్ట్ ఉన్నారు. S2REs అంటారు దాన్ని. ఇప్పుడే చూపెడుతున్నా కానీ S2REs అంటారు. స్పెల్లింగ్ తోని సహా చూపెడతాను చూడండి. రెండు మీద ఒక S2RE అంటే ఎక్కడైతే సముద్రం ఏ రివర్ రీచెస్ టు ద సి, అది S2RE అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడేమో రీచెస్ టు ద సి, ఇది S2RE. చూడండి, సముద్రము ఇక్కడ చేరుతుంది అంటే ఏ స్ట్రీమ్ మింగిలింగ్ విత్ ద సి ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ S2RE. అది ఒక మీనింగ్. ఇక్కడ S2REs అని పెడతాను చూడండి. ఇది S2REs ఇన్ ఇండియా, టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ S2RE. ఇది ఒక S2RE. S2REs means an expert who fixes the premium in insurance is called, it is an insurance premium, calculate the insurance premium. Oh, he is not given, he is given only. But వాళ్ళను, yes,
every company will have his own experts, huh?
Every company is having his own expert. Yes, ఇక్కడ చూడండి. A person who calculates the insurance risk and premium. A person who calculates the insurance risk and premium. Actuary. ACTUARY. Repeat. ACTUARY. A person who calculates insurance risk and premium called actuary. So every company is having their own actuaries, and these are the expert like business analyst. You know the business analyst?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he will future it. See, if you spend this much and if the target is this much, if the sale is this much, if the so and so capital is this much profit that you are going to get it, or loss that you are going to get it, if you could not follow this thing. So like that, an expert would be there. Actuary is the person who calculates the insurance as well its premium, and these persons called. So the purpose of here is, and what is the insurance? Why the insurance should be there? Anyone? Why there should be insurance? What not if there is no insurance? It's a common question.
To meet uneventual situations.
If any damage is happened. Yes, I will unmute so that I could not get it the result. Yes, I unmuted it. Yeah. If any unusual event happen or anticipated event happen, the loss cannot be borne by the middle class people, or the loss cannot be made since the distribution of the burden is taken by the insurance. If you pay the premium, if any unusually happened, at that instance, the insurance company will come to the rescue, and the person, the owner of the vehicle or owner of the property will be saved from coming on the roads. Is it clear? For instance, health insurance. If anything has happened over there, he cannot bear that much operational charges, and either post either post-operation or pre-operation charges, he cannot bear it. Suppose if he has the health insurance card, then naturally if he pay the premium, if any untoward incidents happen over there, then the health insurance will come to the rescue. But well, of course there are some rules and regulations should be there, whether this will be covered in the health insurance or not, whether this will be covered or not. Like in the motor vehicle incidents, you cannot get the insurance claim in the plastic items or fiber items. Are you following me? Unmute and say yes. Unmute and say yes or no or pass on.
Yes, sir, following.
Very good, very good. That's I want to hear from you. Yes, that is the point where it can be made very much clear that some fiber parts you will get, some parts you will get only 60% insurance, and some part you will get 100% insurance. So the insurance is a contract under which the insurer indemnifies the insured for any loss or damage caused due to natural calamity or occurrence of any other uncertain event or anticipated event. The indemnity is offered against the certain considerations received from the insured to the insured from the insured to the insured in the form of premium. So naturally the consideration paid by the insured or the policy holder is the premium, and if any untoward incidents happen over there, then insurer will come to the rescue of the insured. In short, insurance is an agreement. Yes, it is a contract wherein the insurer promises the insurance company promises to compensate the insured and for the financial losses incurred against the exchange of premium. If any financial loss occurred over there when he was going on paying the premium, at that instance, the insurer will come to the rescue of the insured. The document containing the terms and conditions of the contract is called an insurance policy. So the document containing the terms and conditions of the contract is called an insurance policy. The insurance policy states the details of the type of loss that has been covered by the insurer and states the maximum amount that would be the due for payment to the insured in the event of uncertainty. Suppose the death is happened over there. Can he get the millions of the rupees for the death in the life insurance or life assurance? The answer is there is a limitation is there. Up to that, what limitation that you get? The maximum amount will be given over there. If the death is happen either in the middle or at the end of the maturity. That one question I would like to ask, because especially everybody is here, the person, those who are senior citizens as well as they did the work. Suppose if the maturity period is over, let me presume it. Do you get the same premium amount or do you will get with the interest? Anyone?
With interest. After
Yeah.
maturity, we will get interest, bonus, etc.
Yes, it's the bonus also available, interest also available, some benefit will be also available because the maturity is over. If the death occurs immediately, even you need not to pay a single pie. Is it or not? So if the death occur in the middle of it, the total amount would be paid. Or with the interest or without the interest, if the death occurs in the middle. Anyone?
With interest, sir.
Yeah, because I did not come across anyway. The practically it will happen over there. But generally, they see that insured. Yes, I will mute it because I'm getting the sound. So the insured in overall will be benefited. So is it good to have insurance or is it too bad to have insurance? Anyone? Unmute, then give the reply, then mute. It is better to have
Good to insurance, sir. Good to have insurance.
It is good to, yes, unmute. Yes, mute. It is good to have insurance because we cannot know what is going to happen tomorrow. So better you get insured. That is the best method you can protect yourself and you will not be on the roads if any event happen by incidentally. Yeah, the document containing the terms and conditions of the contract is called insurance policy, and it is clearly mentioned what should be covered, what should not be covered, and how much the premium should be supposed to pay, and everything would be given over there. The insurance is a risk cover tool and guarantees financial compensation. Yes, and for the damage caused due to an uncertain event that is beyond the control of the insured. Yes, because something it is not in your control. So suppose the field is there. Yes, you can insure the field. Naturally, if any untoward incidents happen over there, then it will be paid by the insurance company. The insurance is of two types. What are the types? General types I am speaking about. So depending upon the nature of the insurance, depending upon the substance of the insurance category will be decided. So generally here we can say either one is broad category. మనుషులలో బ్రాడ్ కేటగిరీ ఆడామొగ ఇజ్ ఇట్ సార్ ఇంకోటి ఉన్నది సార్ ట్రాన్స్జెండర్ అది ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది ట్రాన్స్జెండర్ ఇంతకుముందు ఏముండే ఆడామొగ ఓకే నౌ జనరల్లీ దట్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ టైప్ is life insurance and general insurance. Only the two. One is life insurance, another is general insurance. Then what is life insurance? A life insurance is a contract to cover the risk associated with the loss of life. If death occurs over there or accident occurs over there. And I'm sure, excuse me, suppose the death is not occurred, accident is occurred. Can we get some amount from the insurance company? Anyone unmute and give me the answer. Yes? Unmute and give me the answer. Death is not occurred. Injury is occurred. You say yes, for injury also you will get the compensation. For the medical expenses you will get it. The person who got injured also he will get it. If the death also that he will get it something provided that accident is not from your side 100%. So the life insurance is a contract to cover the risk associated with the loss of life. The life insurance is considered an assurance. Yes, under the life insurance policy, it guarantees financial compensation is given to the insured on the date of the maturity of the policy if the death is not occurred over there, or the nominee is compensated if the death occurs in the event of the death if the life of life insured. Yes. So always in the insurance, why only insurance? Even for a bank account also there is a nominee is there. Suppose in case of the death, and who is the person having a right to claim the entire property, not property, balance amount. So a nominee would be put it over there. Suppose the husband is there, he will keep the nominee as the wife. If the wife is there, keep the husband as the nominee of the husband. The vice versa will be there. If the children would be there, naturally the father or mother will be the nominee. Any one of them. But generally our is a patriarchal society, hence the father name will be put it over there as a nominee. So that is the one type of the life insurance. Next comes the general insurance. The general insurance is a risk cover provided to any product other than the life. So if any inanimate thing would be there, then we can say general insurance, and the life and the general insurance cover the risk of loss or caused due to the fire, for the materials or water, theft or any other type. And fire insurance, marine insurance and miscellaneous insurance are types of general insurance. Under general insurance, the financial compensation paid to the insured is equivalent to the actual damage or loss incurred. Yes, in the general insurance, what is actual damage will be paid over there, and what the loss is occurred over there. But the general insurance is for the only inanimate things. Inanimate things అంటే అర్థం ఏంటండి? నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ అంటే అర్థం ఏంటండి? మెటీరియల్స్. ఏదన్నా either with the fire or water or theft or any other type, it is damaged over there. At that instance, that insurance company will pay the actual damage or loss. సార్ బాగా వర్షాలు పడ్డాయి సార్, అండ్ మరి పంటకి ఇన్సూరెన్స్ లేదు సార్, then who will come to your rescue? Anyone?
State government.
The respective government will come into the rescue. Of course, the respective government will ask even the central government also if any such a disaster things will happen over there, which is beyond the control of the human hand or human mind or human body or human being, at that instance, there is a special fund would be there. From that fund that it will be given. Like hit and run cases. Who will pay the amount?
Government,
Unmute and give me the answer.
government, sir.
It is the government. ఇక గవర్నమెంట్ ఎవరైనా కావచ్చు, అది రెవెన్యూ వాళ్ళు కావచ్చు, తహసీల్దార్ కావచ్చు, కలెక్టర్ కావచ్చు, ఎవరైనా పడతా the amount will come from the government side in hit and run cases. సార్ అసలు హిట్ అండ్ రన్ కేసెస్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్? అది ఎవరైనా tell me what is hit and run cases?
Vehicle accidents, sir. Motor vehicle accidents.
అవునండి, what is the meaning of hit and run cases?
साहब in the midnight लारी वाला आके उसको एक्सीडेंट करके चले जाता कार को.
Nobody knows who is the person, who is the perpetrator.
Sir.
One cannot trace it out. No one has seen it. The fellow is died on the highway.
No witness. No witness.
No witness, no car, no nothing would be there. So hit and run cases, yes, the victims' family will be compensated by the state, but the state come to the rescue of a person. Yes. What is the assurance? Yes.
Huh?
Why you in the night? In the daytime also in the highway, no one is there. Hit and run cases, he runs away. Then nobody knows who are there. After sometimes came to know that that fellow died. But meanwhile, the fellow make a phone call or to the people, but the lorry will be not traced out, or vehicle will not traced out. So it will be written under the hit and run cases.
Yes, sir.
And assurance అంటే చెప్పేశాను నేను. Assurance లా definitely it is going to happen. Number one. Number two, period is matured. That is called assurance. సార్ ఇప్పుడు assurance అనండి, ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అనండి, ఏమనేది ఫైనాన్షియల్ కవరేజ్ is there and victim will be compensated. If the life is there, life insurance అంటారు. If inanimate things is there, దాన్ని జనరల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అంటారు. ఐదర్ మీరు assurance అనే చెప్పండి, ఆ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అనే చెప్పండి. Are you following me?
Yes, sir. Proceed, sir.
Yes. So we gave that what is the difference in assurance and insurance. And assurance is a promise to pay a certain predetermined amount of money, the sum assured to the nominee in the event of death of the life of insured. Fundamentally, life insurance is designed to provide the financial coverage in the event of the demise. The act is called the assurance. సార్ మళ్ళీ లైఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా అని ఎందుకు పెట్టలేదు సార్? లైఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా అని ఎందుకు పెట్టింది సార్? Anyone? There are many types of the policies are there, which will run for the life, which will run for the non-life. Sir, both the things will be covered, but generally one what is used over there, so they use the Life Insurance Corporation of India, which is a public body. So additionally,
One doubt.
yes.
Generally, general insurance companies deals with only goods and etc. Sir. Non-living.
Yes, general insurance company will only non-living things.
But if anybody is killed, insurance is applied.
అక్కడ మోటార్ వెహికల్ అయితే మోటార్ వెహికల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అప్లై అవుతుంది, లేకుంటే జనరల్ గా లైఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ చేసుకుంటే లైఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అప్లై అవుతుంది.
Because actor Sridevi was killed for the insurance amount by her husband and children.
Yeah, some people know they kill the people because of the insurance amount, because the insurance amount is high.
Must be at Singapore, I think.
సరే ఇక అట్లా అనుకుంటే సార్, the money which comes in that way, somebody also kills him and takes away the money.
Sir, there is another example, sir. A does some insurance policy on B and he will kill the B and get the amount.
చెప్పాను కదా నేను, తాడిని తన్నేవాడు ఉంటే తల తన్నేవాడు కూడా ఉంటాడు. Yeah. So a person who gets such a thing, he also will learn, or somebody will learn, somebody will teach a lesson to that person. అరే నువ్వు తాడిని తన్నేవు కావచ్చు, నేను తలదంతా అన్నాడు. సో however you may be high, law is above you. So let me proceed. Additionally, certain life insurance policies that are offer the payment of the policy on the date of the maturity of the policy, but in installment. The assurance under the life insurance can be classified into three types. ఈ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ లో ఏంటంటే హోల్ లైఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కూడా ఉంటుంది దాంట్లో, దాన్ని టర్మ్ లైఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కూడా ఉంటుంది, యాన్యుటీ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ ద టర్మ్స్ అండ్ కండిషన్స్, జనరల్లీ either the assurance will be given or insurance will be given. But general insurance covers the non-living things, and insurance covers life insurance covers the living things. So under this life insurance policy, some assured is paid to the nominee in the event of the death of the insured. However, the coverage is provided to the insured for the entire life, that is till 99 years of age. Sir, what is the longevity of a person? Can we take, what is the longevity? Because somewhere I read 74 is taken into consideration. But in some places we found for the women is more, for men is less, it is given. Of course, you can check it and tell me later whether women longevity is more now or the men longevity is more now. Sorry, longevity and ends are lifespan. So it is depending upon the life insurance or the term life insurance or the annuity. So these are the ways one can divide it. So final words, what I want to say to you, yes,
Sir, what is annuity? Annuity.
annual. Under this life insurance plan, the maturity benefit is distributed insured in installment rather than one-time bulk payment. Or rather paying it one payment, they say every year I will take its benefit.
That is annuity. Okay.
Yeah, an annuity. Generally, every month they don't pay it unless until they agree the terms and condition in the policy. But the bank rate is concerned, every month you can ask them, the bank deposits, you should put it in my SB account. Every month,
Interest.
interest. Can you ask every week?
No, sir.
Generally, it will not be there. Because earlier times, every week payment would be there. Now, every 1 month payment is there. Did you see anywhere every 3 months payment?
It is there, sir. Quarterly payment is at the post office is there.
Do you think that quarterly payment the employee will receive it or the beneficiary will receive it?
No, sir. If you do any deposit in the bank or post office, they will
I am asking, can a person will get every quarter their monthly salary, month salary?
Actually, wages, we mean wages.
Wages I am speaking.
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
Because wages are payable in the within the wage period only, no? Wage period is there.
Yeah, wages are paid, but why not 15 days once?
If it is previously it was there in cigarette, sir. Every weekly payment was there.
Mhm.
That depends on the wage period fixed, and after at the end of the wage period, the employee will be paid amount.
What is
After that,
TTM?
Sir?
TTM.
TTM. No, sir.
Trial total month.
Trial total month. Sir.
Every month. Consecutive 12 months.
Yeah, this wage
Trial
period is
12 months.
under payment of wage act.
Yes. TTM, trial total months, consecutive 12 months we have to take into consideration for calculating the loss or for calculating the benefits. Yes, I will show you in the later part what is a TTM. Let us see that insurance and assurance are closely related to terminologies. Either you say assurance, either you say insurance. Like either you say consent, either you say assent. Are you following me?
Yes, yes.
Consent, assent. Can you say the consent will be taken by the president or assent will be taken by the president?
Assent.
Why assent?
Mudra.
The reason is he is the first man of the country. We don't say consent, we say assent. For other things we can say consent. Yes, in the same manner, insurance and insurance, both the terminology give the same meaning, but some places we use one, another places we use one. But one thing is when you say general insurance is concerned, it's for non-living things, and the life insurance is concerned, it is about the life. And but the basis of the differentiation is very subtle. A little difference would be there, like put and keep. I put the ball on the table. I kept the ball on the table. Both convey the same thing,
Yes, sir.
but there is a difference in put and keep. When you put the ball, you can put any place. You can put at the corner also. But the subtleness is there. The ball is going to roll down and fall down. But when you say, I kept the ball on the table, means you did not keep to the corner. You keep in the middle of the table. Because you have taken the due care to keep the ball so that the ball will not roll down and fall. So I kept the ball on the table means you kept it very carefully in the center of the table. Is it clear? Say yes or no. I did not get the reply. Think that
Yes,
you
sir.
followed. You think that you followed my point.
Will you please repeat?
I kept the ball on the table. I put the ball on the table. When I put the ball on the table means you put it any place. Either in the corner or in the edge. Without due care you put it. But when you say kept, you have kept the ball on the table means you are taking the due care to keep the ball on the table, so that means middle of the table, so that it will not roll down and fall.
Safety is there.
That is the difference between the keep and put. When the due care is taken over there and doing that act is kept, when the due care is not taken, merely action is put it over there, there is a put. The same thing is happen. Are you listening me? Are you hearing me?
Hearing.
No. Hearing means ఏదో చెప్తాండు.
Oh, sir.
I
Hearing is
understand.
for only for medical term. Sir. Listening is for the lecture. Hearing is for the medical term.
No. In the listening, a due care is put it over there. And interest is kept it over there. A zeal would be there. So, please listen my lecture. Don't say, please hear my lecture.
एक कान से आकर दूसरे कान चले जाता है hearing में.
Hearing में क्या बोले तो एक कान से आता दूसरे कान से आता. ఇక చెప్పాడు
चले जाता है.
వరి వాడిబాయ్ వంటక తినే వీడిబాయ్. So that was the concept there in the here. But listen carefully, listening it, keeping the mind, eyes and ears open, not the mouth open.
It goes to brain.
It goes directly to the brain. That is the idea behind it. That
Listening.
the thing is concerned. So now time is 12:15, and if anybody wants to ask anything, then you can ask me. I can give the reply to your questions for the things which I want to make it out. And today attendance, I believe, not more than the yesterday attendance, if I not be mistaken. Let me see it.
Same,
How
same,
many
sir.
students were joined in the today class? Yes, in the chart I found it, and the participants. No, yesterday there are 12. Yesterday there was 12. Today is only 11. Means one is decreased. So I thought that the classes will increase. That was my presumption, but I found the class was decreased when you find. But increase will varies from regarding the time to time. But my class will not stop. Like the saying would be there. The poem that is the river. Men may come and men may go. I go on forever.
Lord Tennyson.
Yes. River that is written by the Tennyson.
Sir, it is not river, sir. That is brook. Salayer.
No. Is it a brook or river?
No, brook, sir. We have that in our 9th class.
Yeah. The men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. Either the men may present, may not be present over there. If a single man also be present over there, my class would be continued because my motto is there. If one man also get benefited of my lecture, then my mission is not futile. With this, I will stop it. Dhanyavadamalu. Then we'll meet tomorrow. The continuity would be there. The importance of the insurance, and we will say what is the type of insurance, what is the meaning of insurance. We will see in the next class tomorrow as per the timetable is concerned. With this one I will stop it and see you tomorrow with the same timings. Have a good day. Thank you very much.